Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to create a shortcut on Snapchat. It's a super handy way to make sharing snaps with your favorite friends or groups faster and easier. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, swipe right to navigate to the chat screen. At the top of the screen, you'll notice different tabs. Swipe through these until you find the option labeled New Tap on it. Next, you'll be prompted to select the friends you want to include in this shortcut. Take your time to choose your favorite friends or the ones you share snaps with the most. Once you've selected all your preferred contacts, it's time to personalize your shortcut. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option to choose emoji. Tap on it and your emoji keypad will open. Pick an emoji that represents this shortcut, something fun, meaningful, or just easy to recognize for you. For example, you can choose a heart emoji for close friends, a flame emoji for streaks, or any emoji that makes sense for this group. Once you've chosen your emoji, hit Create Shortcut. And that's it! You've successfully created a shortcut on Snapchat. You can now see it on your chat screen, making it quick and easy to share snaps with this group of friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.